Alright, this is the freight elevator at the now former Sears in the Dayton Mall. I got permission to ride this, so yeah. I'll press door close. Alright, let's go down the lower level. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna go down. Let's get a cab view while we're going down. Jeez. Okay, this is all that's left. Now, we're gonna take about 2 trips of this, so let's close the door. Dang. Alright. Let's listen to this motor now. Epic motor. Alright. And my lamp. They give it a cab view.
I was so confused. I was like, what the fuck is happening? Who's on the elevator, bro?
I'm an elevator enthusiast, so that I'm just taking a picture. You wanna come with?
Screw it, why not?
Alright. You wanna,
Screw this noise.
Alright.
Here, I looked inside the freaker and you passed 7:30. I looked like, because I can't fucking sit here all night.
I feel you on that one. Alright.
Alright, you're good.
Okay.
Hey, want to say something really fun?
What? You just demonstrated the, what's it do? The stop?
Yeah, it just stops it.
Wow, okay.
If you got a marker, you can,
Make your mark.
Oh, so that's how they did it.
Yeah.
Do it.
We always wondered.
Yeah, because I did see some elevator videos that, they do that.
Right.
I better say, yeah. Yeah, these doors are loud though.
7 and then we almost 7. I wish I was joking. I'm here. I got all the rest of the apparel.
Alright, let's close the door one more time. Go one more time.
True. You know what? No, I'm just gonna straight up bail. I'm already here an hour later than I'm supposed to be. I'll take the extra hour back. Now I'm going. So I'm gonna go tell him, hey, sorry, I can't help anymore.
Take the certificate. Alright, I'm satisfied now. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and just close this door. Close this door. There you go. Let's get one more last look at this. And that is it.